Hi guys, Roman here from Urban Treats. Today we are making bacon cheeseburger tater tot casserole. That's a mouthful to say, but it's really a great recipe. It's easy to make, and actually today we're using homemade tater tots, which we made in our previous video. So grab your ingredients and let's get started. So first we set our pan over medium heat and we add a little bit of olive oil. 3 tablespoons is more than enough. And as soon as the olive oil is hot, we're gonna add in our onion, which we finely diced. And we lightly fry the onion until it's just about translucent. Now, just before the onion is ready, we're gonna push it to one side of our saucepan and add in the bacon. So let this fry for a little bit until the bacon just about starts to brown and the onion is translucent. If the bacon starts to get crispy before the onion is done, you can mix it all up together. And that's going to slow the bacon down from burning a bit. Now for the next step, add in the beef. I'm using 80% lean beef, so we want about 20% fat to get that burger flavor and the juicy meat. Mix it in with the bacon and the onion. Now, while the beef is cooking, I'm going to preheat the oven at 175 degrees Fahrenheit so that it's ready as soon as we put everything in our casserole dish. Now, we don't want the beef to be completely cooked because we're still going to place it in the oven and bake everything in together. So, if it's a little bit red, don't worry. We just want it lightly browned before we put it into the casserole. All right, now it's time to combine everything together. And we're going to start off with our homemade tater tots. These in here. Then we have about a cup of sour cream, which we add in here as well. A bit more than 2 cups of cheddar cheese. While the beef cooks, it's going to release water, liquid. So you want to drain that before you put it into the rest of the casserole ingredients. So we'll just drain this a little bit. Cook it a bit more after it's been drained. All right, the beef is ready, so let's add that into our bowl. This is a heat-proof bowl, so be careful. Make sure you're not adding anything hot into a plastic or a bowl that can't take it. Okay. Set aside and carefully stir and combine everything. And last but not least, we're gonna add in our cheddar sauce. So this is a ready cheddar sauce. You can of course make it yourself, but we just got a ready one here. Add that in here, give it some moisture and some more extra flavor. We're gonna mix all that up and then we're gonna place it into our casserole dish. Now we're gonna put this in the oven and let it bake for 20 to 30 minutes until the top is nice and crispy and everything is well done. And that's how easy it is to make bacon cheeseburger tater tot casserole. Before we give it a try, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave us a like and a comment. And if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe and hit that bell button. Now let's see what this is all about. We need to get a piece of tater tot. Hot. That's really good. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this. Thank you for watching. See you next week.